That's your daddy. Can you hear his car? Can you hear him? Give me that little laugh again. Go, go. Oh, you're very cute. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you, Bobby. Where's your daddy? Where is he? He's home. Go, Daddy's home. Sophie. So, happy girl. Are you happy girl? Your daddy's home? Where is he? Oh, Rusty. It's a puppy dog. Puppy dog. Hey. Get your belly. Go. Cut you. You're funny, girl. You're funny. Cut your nose. Cut your nose. Sophie. Where's your dad? Where is he? Look at those little laughs. Here he is. Where is he? Sophie's home. Your dad's home.
Rust.
Come on.